Okay, next we are going to do is Rechaka Pranayam. Rechaka Pranayam. 3 seconds inhale from nose, 6 seconds exhale from mouth. Okay, very simple. Inhale nose से करना है और exhale mouth से करना है. I will try to count and you do it. थोड़े rounds में count करूंगी and then you can do it on your own, right? दोनों हाथ चिन मुद्रा में रख लीजिए. Both your hands in chin mudra on your legs. Spine straight, close your eyes. Let's begin. Inhale from your nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale from your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. Count in your mind. Continue. One more minute. Continue. Now exhale from your mouth and come back to normal breathing. Bring your hands together for Shanti Mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मां विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Rub your palms, generate heat. Keep on your closed eyes, feel that energy. Bring your hands in front of your face. Gently open your eyes with a smile. Okay, thank you. See you again tomorrow. Bye, bye, bye.